Hello guys, myself Syed Zahir Hussain, and today we are going to write a code for basic functionalities of ATM. So before we write the code, let us know about those basic functionalities. What does an ATM do? So functionalities of ATM. So what is the first function that ATM do? We can deposit the money. Second one is we can withdraw the money. And third one is we can check balance inquiry, and we can exit. It is also function. We can exit the system, so it is also function. So these are the basic fundamental functionalities of an ATM. So I have to put these functions into the code. So let's jump into it. So like I as a user, I want to give a number, so it has to deposit, and I'll give again a number, it has to withdraw, and after all this I want to check balance, like how much balance left in my account, and then I'll exit. So this is what I'm thinking to write this code. So to give an user value, I have to import scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner. So util is a package, scanner is an object. So I'm importing scanner from util package. Now class and class name ATM. Correct. Now main method, public static void main string args. Now I'll I'll create an object for this scanner. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. Right. So uh, to uh, provide the value, we need variables, right? So I'm declaring variables here only. Int balance we have. So I'm already defining balance here only. So let's give 10,000, comma. So what are the other functionalities? I'm taking them as a variables. I have deposit, and I have withdraw. So I'm storing them in a integer. Correct. Now while I'm taking while loop, I will say why I'm taking while loop. So uh, why I'm taking while loop is because I want to show when this condition gets true, so loop will start. Now I'll print message for the user. When we are in the terminal, we should know that what function we are going to choose. For that purpose I am writing system dot out dot print ln choose one for deposit, and I'll copy the same and I take it choose to as withdraw. 3 for balance inquiry, and 4 for exit. Exit. Right. So before this, I want to give another message. So I'm passing a message for to user to choose a task in this 4 only. So we have deposit now, withdraw, balance inquiry, and for so this is only for to understand when we are in the terminal. We have to choose for 1 for deposit, 3 for balance inquiry, like that. Now we are writing. Okay, first I have to store this in a variable. So I'm giving choice variable. In that, sc dot next int. So I'm storing all this in choice variable. So when the user gives 1 2 3, it will store in this choice variable only. And I'm using here method signature for integer value, so it will store integers value. Now I am going to use switch cases. Right. So in this switch, I am going to switch the choice. Means, see why we use switch cases, to perform multiple statements. Like if I had only one statement, I would be performing it in only one line. Like I'll give system.println, I'll perform whatever the functionality it has, I'll perform it. But we have 4 operations, you can say. So I want to switch them in between when I'm in the terminal. I want to perform all the tasks as per the user's requirement. When if he or she want to deposit, withdraw, balance inquiry. So now I'm going to switch the choices. Choice. Now I'm going to give case 1. So when we type case 1, so we have to pass a message to user, and I have to say, okay, enter your amount to what is the first functionality, deposit, right? Enter the amount to deposit. Now I'm going to deposit is equals to next sc dot next int. Why I'm writing this is because in terminal we are going to enter a value, right? For deposit also, withdraw also, for balance inquiry also. So user going to initialize the value for deposit here. So I am not going to deposit. I am not going to initialize here. User is going to send the value for deposit. Now basically we have already balance, right? 10,000 I am giving by default value. So what is deposit? Balance is equals to balance plus balance plus deposit. Is that right? Balance plus deposit means in this balance we are going to deposit, means we are adding deposit into balance. We have already 10,000. Suppose we are adding 12,000. So what it will do? In balance it will add deposit. Now after this I have to show now okay your balance is updated. So I'll pass a message system dot out dot print ln you are updated balance is concatenation balance. Is that right? Now simple space I want to give dot print ln and now break because we are going to the first functionality has been done. So now I want to jump to other functionality for withdraw. Suppose if I don't give break statement here, so when we enter 1 in the terminal it will take 2 also. So the whole code becomes a whole. Now I'm going to go for case 2. Case 2. Now what do we have in case 2? Withdraw money, right? Let's go. So as usual I'm going to pass a message to the user dot print ln enter a amount to withdraw. Now I have to declare withdraw variable. Withdraw is equals to sc dot next int. Done with the initialization. See, we have one catch in withdraw. Suppose I have 10,000 balance. Now after the deposit I have, suppose I am depositing more 10,000. I have 20,000 right now. So if the user withdraws 30,000 from the balance of 20,000, it is impossible, right, to withdraw that much of money when we have 20,000 in our bank account. So I have to provide a condition if balance greater than or equals to withdraw, then only system dot print ln wait if a balance is greater than or equals to withdraw, this means suppose I have balance 10,000 here. If this is equals to, if I'm writing 10,000 to withdraw, it will work, or greater than 10,000 it will work, but less than 10,000 it won't work. So if this condition I'm writing a condition here, and in this if block I'm going to write the balance is equals to balance minus withdraw. Right, done. If this becomes true, then it will only add this functionality. Now it will show your balance is updated plus balance. Done. So when we give here if, we should have an alternate statement also, right? So I'll write else statement. So basically if this becomes true, then it will balance, withdraw the money we have. Means if the variable, the value we are going to provide for withdraw, suppose I have 10,000, right? So if I uh, withdraw 10,000 money, I have left 0 in my account, so it will perform the task. But if I have 10,000, and if I give value like 11,000, so it won't work. For that, I'll write insufficient funds. Got it? Now simply space printing system dot out dot print ln. And now break statement. So as you can see, our two functionality has been done. Now let's go for case 3. Case 3, right? So what we have for case 3, balance inquiry, right? So just we need to print this line, system system dot out dot print ln your balance is. We have to show to the user, right? When he is going to write number 3, when he is going to switch 3, it has to show your balance is plus balance, concatenate balance, right? It is also done. Now simply space printing system dot out dot print ln. Break statement, as usual, break the statement. Now we have case 4. What is it? So we have exit. Simply we to exit this whole system, we have to write system dot exit. In this exit we have to write 0, so it will exit. Done. So guys, our whole code is done. So I have no errors now, as you can see. Simply I'm going to compile the code first. So first I have to locate the directory. In F I have saved, in F cd space m15 cd space part 1. So for compilation code, java c, program name, no, there are no errors. Java, to run the code, java atm. So as you can see, we have this message which we passed here. So it is saying choose operator to perform the task. So first I am going to check for the balance. So for to check the balance, we have to type 3. My balance is 10,000. Now I want to deposit more 10,000. So I have to go for 1. So it's saying enter amount to deposit 10,000. Now it is saying your updated balance is 20,000. So let's withdraw some money. I have 20,000. I'll withdraw 15,000. So for withdraw I have to type 2. Now enter the amount. I am going to withdraw 15,000. Now my updated balance is 5,000. Now again I'll check balance, my balance is 5000. Now I want to exit. So let's see what happened when we exit. So as you can see, we have finally exit the program. So thank you so much guys for watching. So basically, this is the basic functionalities of an ATM. So if you are in your first or second year, you can write this in your resumes or CVs. You can say this is the program I've written, like mini project. You can say this is a mini project. So you can add this into your CVs or resumes if you are in your first or second years. So thank you so much.